Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. Today I will show you the other kind of bread I make. This won't be in the fridge, what like my other video show. And I have 3.5 cups of flour, but the recipe will be on the YouTube site. So yeast, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and I have water and milk mixture, and I warm it up 60 seconds in the microwave or microwave, whatever you want to call it, and I am adding it to it. And you saw I mixed the dry ingredients first. Now I just have to mix this, but don't overwork. Don't forget, everybody makes everything differently. That's my way. I have to say this sometimes. And you have to get a little bit harder dough. If you measure that for 1.5 cup of mixture, don't get surprised. Sometimes depend how you measuring your flours out. And if you add a little more water, nothing to do wrong with that. Or if it's too soft, then you add a little more flour, but always add just 1 tablespoon at a time, because that way you know how much you really need. So this will be a little bit harder, you see? That's how you leave it. And one more mixing and it's done. And then I will cover it. Let me cover it. And then wait 2 hours, or double in size, or a little more. But I don't let it rise more than 2 hours. So this is it. And I just put it in a warm place and wait for the 2 hours. And you see, this long to put it together. It's nothing big deal. Now we will put it in a warm place, and then I will show you everything. But it's always good to know how to make bread. And as you can see, bubbles, and I try to pull it a little. Pull it. And I put my hand in the water a little. Pull it a little. Pull it. Few times, and after I wait a little more. I will put flour all over, and I just work with my hands together. Just go on the bottom. Okay. This out now. Put a little more flour, it's easier to take it out. And looks like this. I can flour. Okay, that's fine. You can use a sharp knife, but I have this right now. And I just cut in. And I cut few here, a little pattern. And I can place this in my pot. Now I can place it in the pot. You see, my pot is rounded, so that's why I made the parchment paper like that before goes in the oven. I just took off the lid and now I put it back for 15, maybe 20 minutes to make it a little golden brown. The bread is out of the oven. I just have to let it cool. Here's on the stand to cool. Let's see the corners. I like thin slice, but I show you how nice that looks. It's delicious. Okay, I just will make one to show you, maybe one more. Here, looky. This will be mine this morning. Because the bread is thin, I can have two. And usually I don't eat lunch. I rather eat good breakfast. But you have the video how to make the körözött. Go on Gourmet Hungarian channel on YouTube and you can make it too. This time I add red onions to it because I love red onions. But because I know a lot of people don't like onions, that's why I didn't even show my videos. Okay, and here is the breakfast today, fresh bread.